In this video I'm going to show you how to buy the CTX Cryptex Finance Token on Coinbase. So for the first step you will need to log into your Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, sign up through the link in the description to get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. After that we are going to the home page. Log into your account, select the search bar and type in CTX. And as you can see, here we have the Cryptex Finance coin. Select it and now you will be redirected to the token page. As you can see, we have the current market price over here, some time frames to select, and of course a price chart, so you can see what this coin has done in the past. After that we can scroll a little bit down, click on read more to read more about this project. You have an official white paper and of course the website of this project. Once you have read through all of that, then we can go down to the coin stats. As you can see, we have a market cap, volume, circulating supply and a all-time high. Read through all of that and we will go to the trading options. As you can see, we have three options: a buy option, sell and convert option. For now we are using the buy option because we would like to buy these coins, and beside of that you also can select the order type. For this video we are using the one-time order. That is a single order for the current market price. But if you are planning to buy these coins on a more often base than once, then use the recurring buy. This will set up automatic purchases throughout a daily, weekly or monthly base. So for now we will select the one-time order, and after that we need to fill in how much euros or dollars we would like to spend on this order. So let's say 1000 euros, and now you can see the amount of coins we are receiving in return. After that, select your payment method, click on it, and you will be redirected to this list. As you can see, I have a couple of payment methods available, but if your preferred payment method is not showing up, add it by this button down below. After that, we can go back and select the preferred payment method. Now always double check the coin you have selected to buy. For now it's the right one, but always double check it. After that you can click on review order, and now you will review your order. As you can see, we are paying a transaction fee towards Coinbase. That is a fee for using their platform. But if you would like to save yourself a lot of money, and if you are trading on a regular base on Coinbase, then use the Coinbase One subscription and you won't pay any transaction fees up to 10k of trades a month. Once you have decided to buy these coins, click on buy now and these coins will be automatically added to my assets at the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!